Hi! Vlog ba yan? Video?
Eh, para sa
Mag-check-in na kami. Ayan kay Sabang Bang.
Ito hindi na. Ito hindi na. Kanino to?
Kay Savannah. Hey, yung pink. Kung nilagay mo kay Sarah.
Iba yung ano, sa online, iba yan.
Hey, you just go to my pregnant mother. Hi guys, it's Sam. And Belle. Turoy. Nasa airport na kami. We're at our gate. So, yung flight namin mamaya pang 1:30 p.m. So, waiting game. We're here! We just got our luggages. And we're going to the, yung Jewel something. Basta yung may waterfall dito sa loob ng airport. Yeah, we're gonna go na. Go, B. Let's go! Huh? Ay, ayan, video nuro sila. Nautusan pa nga. Ate Juicy. Nautusan pa po. Hi guys! Good morning! We're here na sa sa Merlion and super init. Gusto mo kasama ka sa vlog, di ba? Oo.
Hindi bilang secretary. Grabing init, di ko mabuksan mata ko.
Right now, naghahanap po kami ng mga nakanganga na nagpapapicture. Yun po talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa Singapore. Ayan, ang daming tao actually.
Go! Wait lang.
Yeah!
Galing! Huwag na ulitin.
Video! Say, dito ka. Urong ka dyan. Yan, Yan lang! Yan lang! Siya tama! Yeah! Oh, ikaw din. Ay! Oh, wait lang! Urong ka, yan! Yeah! Perfect! Satayo ko na!
Nakaupo lang doon.
Check!
Po, i-interview po natin ng mga Pilipino na pumunta sa Singapore. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Lisa.
Ayoko na.
We're gonna eat na.
Paano tayo dumaan? Ayun. Oo.
So, we're at Sephora and syempre, rare beauty since walang sa Philippines. Nag-try ako ng blush. Ayan. And I got one, this shade, yung Worth. Ang ganda niya. I think bagay naman siya sa akin. Ito yung blush.
Ox lang.
Bagay nga siya.
I like it.
Yeah, we bought Rare Beauty. Yeah. Hi guys! on our way to the Gardens by the Bay. Ito yung mga kapatid
Kabila pa,
ko.
meron pa, oh.
Pakita ng pakot.
Drippy.
I can run! Hindi ko na kinaya. Kailangan ko natanggalin yung heels ko. Oh, it's aircon!
Tayo naman kasama. Tayo lahat. At Sam.
Alisin niyo sila, Daddy.
Dapat na kaya ate? Move there. Move. Nasa likod niyo sila daddy.
You'll see that light. 4.
Hi guys! So, hindi ko na kinayang maglakad. Nakipagpalit na ako ng shoes sa kapatid ko. Siya na yung naka-heels. Okay, so mom, please explain.
So we're here at Super Grove.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait for it to light up para sa light show.
Yeah, cause that's what it's famous for.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, so we're on our way to... Saan pupunta? Hindi ko alam. Basta we're going sa mall, somewhere, nalakad lang. We're gonna tawid. Alam nyo, nalaman ko, actually what we've observed here, Singapore, para siyang isang malaking BGC lang. Yun siya. Kung saan tayo pupunta? Sa Bugis shop. Doon kami. Pag-mall muna kami. And then later sa Haji Lane. And then, yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna eat lunch then muna. Oh my gosh, look! Manila Street! Yes! Manila Street. Sabi na eh. Nasa Sampaloc lang tayo eh.
Pasalubong. Alam mo naman, pag galing dito, pagbalik, hahanapan ka ng pasalubong.
Yes, that's true. That's the Pinoy mentality. Pag nag-travel, dapat may pasalubong sa mga kamag-anak, sa mga friends. That's here.
Ito ko ako dito. Eh,
What are you gonna buy? Are you
This
gonna buy?
yung glass, and then also this.
Wow, it's giving Easter eggs vibes.
Milo, nuggets. Rating, 9 over 10. Sarap. Parang Ovaltine. Maltesers. It's yummy.
For this and
My dad misses Filipino food.
Why? Ay, oo nga. It's ano. Ang tawag
Pilipit.
na?
Pilipit.
Pilipit.
Yeah. Thank you.
Girl, it looks like kwek-kwek. Got a bag. Got a bag. This is for my boyfriend's mom. Avocado. It's good. Hindi siya matamis.
Avocado yan? I hate avocado. Next time.
Wait, ito para may exciting. Sarap kaya. Okay, so we're gonna eat na here sa Bugis Square. It's a mall. Nakatapos na namin bumili ng mga pasalubong and such. Kain na kaming lunch. Tagal na lang maglakad.
What is this? Oh, for your boyfriend?
Yeah. Okay, gonna pay. So we're gonna eat na. This is so cute. Look. Actually, dito sa Haji Lane, puro photo spots. So, madami dito. What did you get? What did you buy? Para.
College Gambino.
Okay, so nag-photo booth ako dito for like $10. Oh my god, it actually looked good. Yeah. So I'm gonna print it out. Thank you. It's my first time trying an acai bowl. It has coconut sherbet in it. Tama ba? Coconut sorbet pala. Charing. And it's actually really good. Sarap niya. Try mo. Wanna try?
What's that?
Tastes like Mother Earth.
This is banana.
Oh.
Masang Mother Nature lang. Parang hinukay.